Orqa, a Croatian manufacturer of FPV and unmanned aerial systems, recently expanded its production facility to support up to 280,000 NDAA-compliant drones per year, highlighting the rapidly growing global demand for advanced defense-grade autonomous platforms. As production scales, so does the need for precise navigation and real-time spatial awareness, exactly where GESAR Inc. delivers value. GESAR Inc. provides high-accuracy SLAM mapping services for autonomous robots and drones, fusing multi-sensor data to create robust 3D maps and localization solutions that help vehicles operate safely and intelligently in complex GPS-denied environments. Engineered for fast integration and mission-ready performance, GESAR Inc. supports teams building the next generation of aerial and ground robotics with precision mapping, 3D reconstruction, navigation support, and any other SLAM engineering requests required for autonomous systems.